We made recommendations to the Ministry of Energy that the contract should be stopped. Rather, they should not award the contract. The whole procurement process should be stopped. The last that we heard about it was that Cabinet was sitting to discuss it. The reports that we had from Cabinet were that they had made a resolution to stop and start everything afresh. If the Attorney General sits in Cabinet, I don't know whether Cabinet made another decision after that, because after the special Cabinet meeting, we heard, it was reported that Cabinet had taken a certain stand. But since I don't sit in Cabinet, I do not have, neither do I have the mandate nor the correct information to give to people.
A dam of 2.2 trillion. The President himself told a special Cabinet last Friday that his own yellow ministers had solicited a 200 million, that is $200 million, that is 500 billion Uganda shillings on Karuma Dam. That it was